Can you hear that? Who else is enjoying this beautiful fucking sunny day? Not me. I'm enjoying a nice cloudy, rainy, thunderstormy day. And it's fucking beautiful, right? Mm. God, I fucking love the fall. Listen to that fucking rain. Anyways, I hope you had fun. I did. Hope you guys have a great day. And I don't know. Go to a fishing show. Walk up to the table of guys baiting fish. Compliment them. Be like, wow, you guys are truly masterfully baiting these fish. Truly a bunch of master baiters. You're a credit to your species and your kind, sir. Master baiters, all of you. Have a good day.